and I'm here with the two dashing captains, Verem United Rishabh and Sahil Duri of Sunday Champs. Sahil is going to flick the coin and Rishabh is going to ask. Head says Rishabh of Verem United, and heads it is Rishabh. What is your take?
I would like to bat first.
A good part of wicket to bat, and you have got a good depth in the batting as well.
Yeah. I got batsman.
So what is the total that you are looking for, and then try to defend your target?
Around 160 plus 170.
All the best. Sahil, toss really matters in the T20 format, okay?
I don't think so because this is afternoon game, so it will be easy to bat also later stage. So let's see. We just want to wind up them within 100. So let's see how it goes.
You have been asked to bowl first. Apart from you, who are the bowlers who can really restrict the batsmen?
We got Harshad Kadekar with starting, myself, and then Amok Desai, the Ranji player playing. So we like to restrict them within 100 runs.
So good depth in the batting as well.
Sorry.
Good depth in the batting as well.
Yeah, we got many all-rounders as well. So let's see now how many good all-rounders get a batting for this match.
So all the best, Sahil. So that's the news from the crease here, where United won the toss and, as usual, decided to bat first. Well bowled. A perfect line to start with the proceedings into the bowling department by the captain, Sahil Duri. In the square leg, the official is Rajesh Weng. Good looking shot, but straight to the field in the ball was rocketing away. Just a nudge, and yes, is a call well responded by Rajesh Wengankar. Good looking shot, gets hold of this one, finds the placement brilliant. Beats a short fielder. This time the ball will raise the fence. Nicely timed, and the ball will find a boundary because there is no fielder there. Well done. Walk of the wrist from Vaibhav Kadkade. Sending the ball straight deep to the fine leg. Who wanted to play but miscued it completely, and the fielder takes Shubham Desai taking a simple looking catch. That's the departure of Chinku. Wanted to play but miscued it. 17 for 2. Gugi joining in. Shot of length pulled, but good looking shot. This time finds the gap and the ball races away to the boundary. A shot of a length, wanted to pull but did not. Oh, picked up this time, and enough bat on that. The ball is sailing. Good sweep shot, and once again beats the short fielder. Back-to-back boundaries are coming up now from Vaibhav Kadkade's bat. Loud shout and confident appeal from Amug. Beautifully hit, and enough bat on that to take the ball racing towards the boundary in the deep. Well bowled, and the timber is shaken. This time Ninad Pavaskar once again strikes as he clean bowled Gugi. Well bowled. This was a perfect line. Could be a mix-up here. Dheeraj Narvekar. There is a no call from Vaibhav, and Dheeraj just running. Good looking shot. Nice and straight down the ground. Oh, this time the ball is running down. Backward of the wicket keeper. Once again, that could be a mix-up here. Oh, nicely angled, and once again, this time the ball will run down to. Well bowled. Oh, a little bit of bat on that, and the ball will win the race. This time, backward of the wicket keeper for sure. Nicely working. The ball will find the fence. Now they're just pushing every ball for a single and rotating the strike. Good looking shot from Abdul Salam. Look at the timing in the ball. This time going huge, high, handsome, humongous, enormous, immense, massive, cosmic, colossal, gigantic, monumental. On the front could be a mix-up here. And yes, it is. Slightly late to get back to his crease, Gaurav. There wasn't a run at all. Bold aim, this time nice and straighter delivery going across. Abdul Salam missed the line completely. So 7 wicket down of Verem United. Yes is the call. Oh, nicely angled and beautifully done. Absolutely elegant touch. A slight adjustment as well. Not taking any chances. Oh, this time he hits the timber. Durgesh Naik departs 8 wicket down of Verem United on 119 in the 19th over. Oh, he hits the money and hits the timber. Appeal, a loud shout, but denied. Will be legged by a single to take the score to 127.
Angles, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Angles since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन, सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सयत सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचालीवेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सोजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Here comes the first delivery of the second half of the second match, day number 3. Way outside the off stake and wide signaled. Nicely worked with the wrist, but unable to beat the short fielder there in the square leg. Excellent fielding. Good work, but straight to Durgesh Naik, and he's delighted. The first wicket goes down as the prize wicket coming for Verem United. Have come up. Oh, nicely picked up this time. What a beauty. The ball after going couple of bounces to the fence. Extremely good timing and exceptionally good shot selection from Rahul Kenny. In the leg side. Once again picked up. What a beauty this time. The ball got enough of the bat on that one. Just angling the ball away with a soft hander, and yes, is the call well responded by Rahul. Waiting is the call. This could be a mix-up. Good collect from wicket keeper, and Aditya Naik is out. No is the call from Rahul Kenny. 16 for 2. Verem United once again strikes with a brilliant fielding in the infield. Good looking drive. There is a field. Will cut it off. He does well. Excellent fielding. Cautioning, and the placement brilliant from the captain, and the ball is racing away. Lofted shot. This time gets hold of this one. Huge, high, handsome, enormous, immense, massive, cosmic, colossal, gigantic, monumental. That's gone out of here. Nicely worked once again with the wrist. Oh, nicely sliced. Extremely good timing from. Well bowled. Good comeback after that excellent boundary. Once again going aerial. Going big. One bounce to fence. Oh, this time. This is beauty. Going aerial but finding a fielder and taken. Deft touch. Oh, this could be wide and boundary for sure. Flashy shot beats the infielder, and the ball will race away to the boundary, the deep gully. Wonderful shot, nice and straight down the ground to long off. What a fantastic shot and good extension of hand. That's gone huge, high, handsome. Once again, maybe a little bit of a deflection there from the pad. It will be a leg by and a boundary. Coming down the track and good hit, nice and straight down the ground in between. Long off and long on. Bang, she goes. Well, he decides to go aerial and big time. And what a way to bring their victory. Sunday champ wins. Congratulations. And that's all from the commentary box.
Angles, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Angles since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
G-Wave on GBBN is an initiative of Government of Goa. G-Wave is a 10 gigabyte network offering bandwidth on demand, FTTH leased lines with 24/7 online support. G-Wave have direct links to popular content like Google, YouTube, Netflix, Limelight, Facebook, etc. Attractive plans with special discount and OTC waiver also available. G-Wave serves numerous prestigious events, currently partnered with ISL FC Goa, Serendipity Art Festival and Cricket League matches at GCA grounds at Porvorim. After successful completion of FIFA Under-17 World Cup, IFFI International Film Festival of India, etc. We undertake quality internet services to the prestigious events in Goa including BRICS Summit and BRICS Games. United Telecoms create a content delivery platform with GBBN for content required in the field of e-governance, e-health, education and citizen services. It is an surveillance-capable network. E-health is already running in few hospitals. IP voice and video phone services to government offices are being successfully utilized on GBBN platform. G-Wave is having facility of customer care center in every taluka headquarter for the customer convenience. Also, subscribers can apply online to avail G-Wave services.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध. आकर्षक डिस्काउंट. कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर. खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सयत सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचालीवेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Welcome to the presentation party. The match held between Verem United and Sunday Champs, where Verem scored 127 runs for the loss of 9 wickets in 20 overs. And what Sunday Champs did, some fireworks on the cricketing field, scoring the entire scoreboard with 17 and a half overs. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rohit and you're watching Geno Prudent T20, which started on 10th of December, which will go till the 17th of December. We have just finished the first round of the matches, and what this match was. It was a very crucial match to begin with because it was a ticket to the semis. Ladies and gentlemen, for the presentation party, I have with me the Galaxy of Stars, my sponsors. I request Yogesh Arora, Head CSR, Admin and Human Resource, Deccan Fine Chemicals India Private Limited, to kindly come up on stage. Along with him joins Farid Velji of Velji Motors, the gentleman who's given a beautiful Aprilia 150cc for the man of the series. I also request our media partner, Goan Varta, editor Sanjay Dhavlikar, to kindly join us on stage.
Where captain? Where captain?
I request first the Verem United captain to kindly come up on stage and have a brief chat with us. Well, was 127 the best total that you could put? किने जालें खंय बिगडलें?
स्कोर कमी आसलो, सो तांकां तेंची बॅटिंग लायनअप बरी स्ट्रॉंग आसली, ताका लागून तांकां बरें पडलें. स्कोर कमी आसलो म्हणून
खंय बॉलिंग अटॅक कमी पडली बिकॉज तांच्यांनी 17.3 ओवरीनूच स्कोर सगळो घेतलो.
ना बॉलिंग अटॅक ओके आसली, कमी पडलो.
Okay, but anyways, thank you for joining us for this presentation party and best of luck for you and your team for the entire series that is there in future. Thank you very much. Thank you. I now call upon the captain of the winning side, Sunday Champs, Sahil Duri. Sahil, I know you're shy to speak, but you speak a lot, but when it's camera, you feel a little shy. Sahil, how was it playing here at Geno Prudent T20?
That I already spoke that day only, so it's really a treat to play this tournament, and we are just enjoying all the players. So we just want to play till the finals.
Okay.
We just want to win this cup.
Okay, was this a blessing in disguise that this ticket was to the semi-finals directly?
Nothing like that. We just have a good lot of players, like all-rounders, and just wanted to play. Like there are many good players like Arshad Gadekar performing very well, and I'll just wish him a good luck for the matches. Hope he do well, and now most probably I think he will be the man of the match. So hope he continues, and all the other players also do the same thing.
Okay, thank you very much, Sahil. Best of luck for the semi-finals. I now call upon Harshad Gadekar, who bowled 4 overs, conceded 15 runs and took 2 wickets. Harshad gets a beautiful Timex watch. Harshad, if you can join us for some little chat. Harshad, कसे दिसले?
ही सीझनाची फर्स्ट मॅच असली माझी, सो बरें दिसलें. बॉल वॉज गोईंग आउट फ्रॉम माय हँड.
Okay.
And I felt really bad. Good actually. Bad in the sense I could not restrict them for less than 10 runs. That was I was aiming actually.
Okay, and what do you look forward for the semi-finals?
Yet another match for us, important match. If we win that, then definitely finals.
And more importantly, there are 2 powerhouses competing tomorrow for that semis berth. That is either Dempo Juniors or Albert Developers. Both are strong teams, strong powerhouses.
Both are strong teams, but it's going to be a very tough match for us also. And we'll have to fight really hard for final spot.
Okay, thank you very much, Harshad. Best of luck for the entire tournament. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the first round is done. And tomorrow what we'll see is a battle between Nityanand Sports Club versus May Union. And the second match, Albert Developers and Dempo Juniors. There's a lot of excitement that's on here at the cricketing field at Goa Cricket Association Academy grounds. Well, I thank my sponsors here for joining me on this particular occasion, but I need to thank all my sponsors here. I thank our title sponsor, Geno Pharmaceuticals, associate sponsor, Goa Cricket Association, co-sponsors, Anand Bose Constructions, supported by Michael Lobo, Honorable Deputy Speaker and Kalangud MLA, associate sponsor, Deccan Fine Chemicals, associate sponsor again, Ozone Group, Velji Motors, who's given us beautiful Aprilia 150cc bike for the man of the series, and our Timex for sponsoring man of the match prizes. And we also thank all the sponsors that has been here with us for this particular tournament. That's all from the presentation party. Thank you very much. Have a lot of fun here at the Geno Prudent T20 Cup.